Hello everyone. Welcome to our new video. Today we'll take a look at the top 5 best Argireline cream that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. DermaE Deep Wrinkle Peptide Moisturizer. This peptide and collagen-based cream aims to reduce wrinkles by relaxing the muscles of the face and restricting their movement. The formula of the cream is vegan and cruelty-free. The main ingredients of the cream include green, vitamin C, collagen, peptides, argireline, and antioxidants which make the skin feel youthful, supple, and smooth. It also contains jojoba seed oil which hydrates the skin without making it look oily. The texture of the cream is rich but it absorbs well into the skin. The formula repairs signs of aging like fine lines and wrinkles and also delays any future wrinkles with its nourishing formula. It does not have any fragrance so it is suitable for sensitive skin also. The cream is advised to be used twice a day and day and night for best results. Apply the cream at night with a little massage for better absorption into the skin. At number 4. Perfect Image Hydrating Repair Peptide Wrinkle Cream. Available in 2 size variants, this cream is enriched with Matrixyl 3000 and Argireline which boost the collagen levels in the skin and improve its texture. It is designed to replenish the hydration levels of the skin to combat common signs of aging like fine lines, wrinkles, dark spots, S-feet etc. It also contains hyaluronic acid which restores the youth of the skin and makes it feel plumped and smooth. The cucumber and green extracts present in the formula soothe the skin and offer antibacterial and antifungal protection. The formula is very gentle on the skin and does not feel greasy. It keeps the skin hydrated all day long and does not feel itchy or cause redness. At number 3. Lorent Crazy Beautiful Face Cream. If you are looking for a day cream which has all the ingredients needed for protection against aging, this cream from Lorent is a great option. It contains argireline, hyaluronic acid, matrixyl, vitamin E, and vitamin C. All these ingredients help to prevent signs of aging like wrinkles and spots. They also make the skin look smooth and healthy by boosting the moisture levels. The formula is hypoallergenic and free of parabens so it can be used by sensitive skin also. The rich and creamy texture of the cream provides intense hydration to the skin and allows it to breathe as it does not clog the pores. Another good thing about this cream is that it does not break out the skin and keeps acne in control, which is a great feature for acne-prone skin. The price of the cream is lesser as compared to other Argireline creams available in the market, so it is a great cream for people on a budget who want to take care of their skin. At number 2. Jonre Face Cream. Enriched with grape extracts and pomegranate seed oil, this rich cream keeps your skin looking youthful and radiant with its powerhouse of ingredients. It also contains kiwi extracts, macadamia oil, and soybean oil which are known to help reverse the signs of aging. It protects the skin from free radicals and other pollutants which clog the pores and make the skin look dull and droopy. The cream enhances the production of collagen and elastin in the skin which improves the elasticity of the skin and fills wrinkles. The formula is free of parabens and sulfates and is non-comedogenic. It absorbs into the skin without leaving any residue behind and gives you an even skin tone with regular usage. This product is marketed as a day cream but it can also be applied during the night for better results. Finally at number 1. DermaE Anti-Wrinkle Renewal Skin Cream. Our high-potency vitamin A cream helps to diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, leaving skin soft, smooth, and supple. Enriched with vitamin E, allantoin, panthenol to help nourish and intensely moisturize skin. Formulated with rich vitamins and antioxidants to help enhance skin's youthful appearance. Diminish the appearance of age lines and wrinkles with DermaE Anti-Wrinkle Renewal Cream. This luxurious cream contains vitamin A, retinol palmitate, commonly referred to as the skin vitamin. Enriched with antioxidant vitamin E, skin-calming allantoin and panthenol, and nourishing oils to help improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Part of our core ethos is being completely transparent about the ingredients we use. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible.